Testicular cancer is more likely in young and mature men. It is different from all others, since its symptoms are visible, it is easy to detect and kill it before it develops. Then we will share your symptoms and a very effective remedy for you to avoid. Causes of testicular cancer. One of the main reasons of risk for testicular cancer is a condition called cryptorchidism, or undescended testicles that have the scrotum. This means that one or both testicles did not descend from the abdomen to the scrotum before birth. Men with cryptorchidism are several times more likely to have testicular cancer than those whose testicles have normally descended. The true cause of testicular cancer is not known. But factors that can increase a man's risk of testicular cancer increase if he has abnormal testicular development, exposure to certain chemicals, family history of testicular cancer, HIV infection, history of cryptorchidism, one or both testicles failing to descend into the scrotum before birth, Klinefelter syndrome. According to the American Cancer Association, testicular cancer develops in the intertesticular cells. However, almost 100% of the time, it is caused by germ cells, responsible for the manufacture of spermatozoa. Symptoms: principal and red alert. 1. Deep pain in one or both testicles. 2. Feeling discomfort or notice the appearance of lumps in the lower abdomen. 3. Pain in the back or lower abdomen. 4. Enlargement of a testicle or change in the way you feel. 5. Excessive amount of breast tissue, gynecomastia, although this can occur normally in adolescent males who do not have testicular cancer. 6. Tumor or inflammation in any of the testicles. 7. Abnormal fluids may be present in the scrotum and feel some heaviness in this area. 8. If it does not go away within 2 weeks, you should go to the doctor immediately. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.